Hello good people, how are you? I hope you are well. Thank you and welcome back to this channel where we talk about nutrition, health, and at the same time we get to prepare some nutritious food. And today is not different. Today we are going to prepare something. Today's recipe is nutrition therapy on matters ulcers. Watu wa niko na H. pylori, nikikula hii acid inanichoma. Today I have a recipe for you that you can prepare and it's very easy to ease those symptoms, because nutrition plays a very important role when it comes to matters stomach ulcers and peptic ulcers or any other ulcer, as long as it touches our gut. So today we are going to prepare something which is gut friendly that can help you in gut healing, also ideal for ulcers, peptic, gas, all those issues to do with our stomach. So let me introduce you to our ingredients, what you're going to use for this recipe. As you can see, we have cabbages, zimekatakatwa, and also we have our carrots. We're going to grate them, and we have our watermelon. But here, the main ingredient here is cabbage. So, hii video tunaweza sema it's a cabbage juice, ideal for gut healing, ideal for ulcers, gastritis, and any gut issue. We are going to prepare that recipe for today. I think I can be grating my carrots before tuanze kuzi blend. Ile chakula unakula, the contamination and intake of the non-steroidal inflammatory drugs. So please be careful. And also it's very important to note, when an ulcer, the stomach ulcer, is left untreated, it can lead to the internal bleeding. Internal bleeding, due to the excess loss of blood, you can get anemia. And you know what can happen to you when you don't have enough blood kwa mwili yako. Hemoglobin inaweza enda chini. And also the gastritic ulcer, it can put you at a risk of developing cancerous tumor growth. So it's very important to treat those ulcers. And nutrition plays very important role. Kikuja ni mambo na healing, hata kama unachukua, you are taking those H. pylori kit, please note and know better that kitchen will always remain the best pharmacy for you. Sababu it will reach a point wachane na medication, basi dhani kama kutafika pahali wache kukula. So kitchen is very important. And what you cook, what you consume is also very important. And also, if an ulcer is left untreated, it can result to perforation. That's when the ulcer makes a hole into the digestive tract. That's the perforation. And also, due to the excessive blood loss, it can result to vitamin B12 deficiency. So that tells you how important it is for you to treat an ulcer. Usiseme tu ni kawaida. Get medication na pia umalizie, because H. pylori does this. Ukikunywa hiyo kile, I know that kit can be boring to kumaliza all that medication, but once maybe umekunywa the report of the medication na umeiachia katikati, utapata tu inarika. You'll find that maybe imetulia for 2 months, then after a month the symptoms comes back. That's because you do not complete your medication. So again, it's very important to complete your medication. Hata kama you're doing your home remedies, please complete your medication. And also incorporate, because the role of the diet in stomach ulcer or any other ulcer is to relieve the symptoms kama the cramping, the gas, bloating, all those, and also to help in the growth of the healthy bacteria in our gut. That's why you also need to consume foods that are rich in probiotics. Hizo ni vitu kama natural yogurt, the probiotics, they help to in the growth of the healthy bacteria in our gut. Yes. Why we are juicing, we are not taking it as a salad. Number one, when you juice, you break the fiber. Na fiber sana sana kwa watu husumbuliwa na tumbo ndio huleta gas, hizo bloating, stomach cramping, but when you juice you break the fiber. And also cabbage, si watu wengi wanapenda cabbage due to its pungent and also a blunt taste. But when you juice it, you see una add kitu kama carrot, it's sweet, kitu kama watermelon, it's sweet. So at least una improve that taste. And also cabbage, some people lack the enzymes that help in digestion of cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables ni vitu kama the cabbage, the red cabbage, kales, cauliflower, those are cruciferous, and some people lack the enzymes that help in digestion. Just like watu wenye unasikia mtu anasemanga kwa lactose intolerance, that's because they lack the enzyme lactase that helps to break down the lactose or the milk sugar. So in the same case, mtu unaweza jipata huna those enzymes that help in digestion of cruciferous vegetables like cabbages. But when uki juice, it's easier for your body to digest it. Just like watu wenye hawakunywi maziwa, but unapata mtu anaweza kunywa kitu kama yogurt, kitu kama mala. The same case with cabbage. When you juice it, it's easier for your body to digest it. I think sijui kama hapo ime make sense. I hope nimeelezea something. Maybe unaweza kuwa unajiuliza mbona hii kitu tusikule tu hivyo. That's some of the reasons why we are blending our cabbage. And also there is better absorption of nutrients when you juice. Sababu kitu kama cabbage iko na kitu kama vitamin C, iko na kitu kama vitamin A, but once we expose vitamin C to extreme heat, unaiua nguvu. That's why we recommend as nutritionists, mboga zako, all the vegetables, usipike hadi inakuwa yellow. Hiyo tu utakuwa unakula roughage, nothing. We are going to kill all the nutrients, sana sana the vitamin C. So kwa hivyo ukiikula ikiwa raw hivi, it's better. You're going to benefit more from the vitamin C. For the carrots, not really, because I know carrot, it's the main nutrient. Ama vitamin kwa carrot is the beta carotene, ama the vitamin A. And I know it's a fat soluble vitamin. That's why I said in this recipe, our cabbage is the main ingredient. Hii tu ni ya enhance taste, kutoa hiyo the pungent taste of our cabbage. Nitaanza kublend the watermelon, ndo iko easy, ndo ikikuwa maji ndo itasaidia, ease to blend the rest of the ingredients. Now I'm going to add our carrot. For the carrot, I'm not going to add everything. Sikue mingi kuliko our cabbage, and tunataka cabbage mingi. Now we can add our cabbage. If you have a juicer, better. The cold press one, better. You know, it extract juice direct from the cabbage and the rest of the ingredients. Now we can save our juice using a strainer. You can use a cloth, ama pia you can use a strainer. And also cabbages, besides the gut healing properties, cabbages ziko na other health benefits. And the number one obvious one, they have a higher satiation value. Yes, higher satiation value. By that I mean, like, they are ideal for weight loss. Satiation means it's the gap between the first intake of the food na that gap between your first, ukikula chakula, sema ya chakula ya kwanza ulikula breakfast, another utakula lunch, that gap, and by satiation value inamaanisha utakuwa full. Kwa hiyo in between your first meal and your second meal. Kwa hivyo inaweza kuprevent taking or eating other foods in between your meals because of the satiety value. And also the cabbages, they help balance the gastric, the pH value of the gastric juice in the stomach. That's why iko very important for people with ulcers, gastritis, all those gut issues. Kwa hivyo tusichukie cabbage sana. It's good. And also cabbages, they have a very unique chemical substance. Inaitangwa, is it I3C? Indole 3 carbinol, I think, if I'm right there, I3C. It's a chemical that helps to repair the DNA cells, that preventing the growth of cancer. Na hiyo the I3C unaipatana sometimes inakuwa developed kwa lab. Unaweza take like a supplement, but why go for the supplement when you can have it directly or naturally from the cabbage or from the cruciferous vegetables themselves. And also cabbages, they are packed with numerous antioxidants. I think antioxidant nimeitaja kwa hii channel, like every recipe natengeneza lazima niongee about the antioxidant. Tell me in the comment section, what do you know about the antioxidants, on what are their roles in our body, and zinafanyanga nini in disease prevention? Please tell me in the comment section. I think antioxidant nimeitaja more than my channel itself. By now you should be knowing the role of the antioxidants in our body. Na nikisema cabbage, we have the red ama the purple cabbage. You can always diversify ama change. Even in this recipe, you can use the red cabbage. Yes. And be taking a variety of the cruciferous vegetable. Hizo ni the broccoli, kales, the red cabbage, hizo zote. Sababu utapata there is a nutrient that is in the red cabbage that it's not here. Like for the red cabbage, iko na a very special antioxidant, the anthocyanins, a very strong antioxidant. Na utapata iko less in the white cabbage. So it's always good to badilisha tu. Leo ukimake a recipe using the red cabbage, the next you can use a white cabbage. Ndo mwili pia ikuwe na variety ama enough of the antioxidants. Usizoe cabbage ama kawe ni mtu wa ugali, usizoe kukula tu na sukuma peke yake. Diversify. And our juice is ready. Our gut healing juice that can help to relieve the stomach ulcers, peptic ulcers, and all other gut issues. This is our number 1 recipe. Let me know on the comment section. Ungetaka recipe ingine. So I think most of the DMs that I get, whether ni Facebook, on my page, ama Instagram, ni Lucy, niko na H. pylori. Lucy, sijui nakuanga na acid, bloating, nini. Would you like me to prepare another recipe for our gut? It could be constipation, maybe for another one for stomach ulcers. Let me know in the comment section. Yo, msinikujie tena kwa DM. Niko na H. pylori. Niko na H. pylori, niko na gas. Yeah, this can help you to relieve those symptoms. And like I said, it's very important. Na usi-ignore kitu kama ulcer. Ulcer can develop into a cancerous tumor if left untreated. So it's very important. Take care of your stomach lining by eating such foods and also taking probiotic foods to help in the growth of the healthy bacteria in our gut. So I think now our juice is ready. Now this is our juice. Very simple, the ingredients, much affordable. I think hapa nimetumia less than 100 bob. Carrot za 20 nimetumia 2. So that tells you with 100 bob, even less, you can make this recipe. Melon unahitaji tu kukatiwa ya 20 bob, it's enough. Cabbage quarter, hata ka cabbage imefika, so at least quarter ni 30 bob. So the ingredient, no excuse, hakuna excuse ya hauna the juicer, you can use the blender. So this is our juice, our gut healing juice to ease the symptoms of gastritis, peptic ulcer, and any other gut issue. Like I said, nutrition very important when it comes to relieving the symptoms of stomach ulcers. And remember, as you're taking your medication, like I said, kitchen will always remain the number 1 pharmacy or the best pharmacy ever. Unaweza achana na medication, but sidhani kuna point utafika useme I'm done with foods, I'm done with eating. Our juice, let me go to know in the comment section what you think about it. Also, would you love me to have such a recipe? It could be on matters constipation, ulcers, anything. Just let me get to know the comment section. The next nutrition therapy you'd love me to prepare here in this channel, and sitawaangusha, nitakuwa na prepare. So get interactive in the comment section, like this video, you can share widely, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload such educative videos, you get notified. And as usual, subscribe, and thank you for 6K subscribers. Bye bye.